Hey everyone, welcome to my scrapbooking corner. I'm here with another layout. This is of a sunset, maybe it's sunrise. But at any rate, so my background is going to be this pastel cardstock, and that blue layer is from Heidi Swapp Old School. Oh, which blue layer? Oh, I'm ahead of myself, I haven't got there yet. But I do use that plaid pattern, that brown and white and pink, which is Crepe Paper's Marigold. Hey, sweet peas. And she's gonna go get in her little basket. Oh, moving on. Get there. Wait a minute, she's so silly. So this one is the one I did. I think this is my daylight bulb. I don't remember. So freaking silly. Anyway, so that is the blue layer, the words. That is the reverse side of that bleached blue jean pattern. From Heidi Swapp. And then for this, I'm going to use the die cuts that are Pink Fresh Studio Days of Splendor. Hey, handsome. Everybody's in here patiently waiting for food at 3:30 in the morning. Oh, my goodness, you guys ain't that hungry, are ya? So I'm going to cut a large circle and use the pink, and then I'm going to cut two smaller ones and use the heart pattern, which I didn't write that down, and it is Maggie Holmes, the Crepe Paper's Marigold. It's the circles, because I did not write those down. And then the tags are from Pink Fresh Studios Days of Splendor. It was some layered die cuts. So now I'm just trying to find what I can use with this. Since it's nature, I'm going to try to incorporate some florals. And since it is outside, I'm going to try to use some of the woodland creatures, and I'm going to use the die cut that says let's get cozy on as my title. Or let's stay cozy, sorry. And the die cuts are Pink Fresh Studios Days of Splendor. except for I do use a pink stamp, which is from the cut apart sheet from Crepe Paper's Marigold or Maggie Holmes. I don't know, the stickers say Maggie Holmes, the paper says Crepe Paper, so I go by what the paper says. And I was trying to use up all the florals, and then I was like, nah, it was too much. See, I'm like, nah, no. Totally too much. And then there's those, it's a book and a star stamp, like the tag. I'm trying to figure out, what do I do? Which I don't end up using any. Oh, I do use some of the stickers, never mind. Which I never used too many of these. I do use that house and the bird house. And then this gives me, my glue is clogged or something. It's giving me quite the trouble. And I didn't have a pin handy to unclog it. So I used my pencil. And it still was giving me such a hard time. So I'm just going to put some down and use my finger. So I put a chair there so it looks like the squirrel was sitting in the chair drinking a cup of hot cocoa. So I'm trying so hard to get it out. It's like, not working whatsoever. And I think this is where, as you can see, the speed of me sticking these down, it unclogged finally. Pen. You just don't give up, do you? I'm just trying to see if there's anything else I can use. It just seems like it's missing something. I don't know. There's Sabrina. She was coming to see me several times. And then she wanting some lovin's, I guess. And then this is where I decide to cut out this stamp. Because something needed to be there under the house and birdhouse, and so I'm satisfied with that, and I'll finish it off with some of the enamel dots from the Paintbrush Studio Let's Stay Home. And then that completes my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.